Some New Hampshire properties feel like they have a story to tell. This beautifully restored Post Beam Colonial is one of them, with exposed beams, strong foundations, 2 fireplaces, a screened porch, and more than 35 acres of fields and woods. Lovingly rebuilt and restored from the ground up, the home offers more than 3,000 square feet of living space, with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Lovingly rebuilt and restored from the ground up, the home offers more than 3,000 square feet of living space, with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Once used as an inn, the property combines timeless New England craftsmanship with thoughtful modern updates. Inside, the exposed beams and 2 fireplaces create a warm atmosphere, while the spacious living areas provide plenty of room to gather. A convenient mudroom entry is especially suited for life in the White Mountains. Step outside, and the setting becomes even more impressive. A picturesque brook winds through the property, creating a peaceful natural feature with opportunities for fishing. The combination of open pastoral fields and wooded land gives you plenty of space for outdoor recreation, including hunting, ATV riding, hiking, snowshoeing, and simply exploring your own private retreat. The property also features a beautifully restored 3-story, 4,000 square foot barn that reflects the history and character of this remarkable homestead. With abundant space for storage, hobbies, events, or farming, the barn adds another layer of versatility. From the screened porch to the expansive grounds, every part of this property offers a connection to the surrounding New Hampshire landscape. And the location brings even more to enjoy. Take in spectacular views of Mount Washington, while remaining just minutes from Conway Lake, North Conway shopping and dining, skiing,